Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2015 and beyond Volkswagen GTI four-door. So this system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, and then also the WingBar Evo Load Bars, available in either silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which makes these components fit this vehicle perfectly. So let me go over some of the key features, an up-close look at the fitting kit to begin with. So you have the set of 4 of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, and then a set of 4 of the rubber base pads. Each of these have numbers assigned to them, which correspond with the instruction sheet that will indicate exactly their position on the vehicle. So then you have the WingBar Evo Load Bar. Here's a segment of the load bar to show some details. It is a box beam construction, giving it excellent rigidity. Also, there is a dedicated track along the top of the bar to allow for attachment of many accessories that are T-Track compatible. The hardware just simply inserts in between the slot on the rubber to give you a very quick and easy method of attachment for certain accessories. Also on the underside, you see there's another track here with a slide scale. The slide scale has numbers, again, that correspond to the instruction sheet to indicate exactly where the foot will be placed. Let's go ahead and place a foot onto this bar to demonstrate that. So we'll first just take off the outer cover, and then within the foot, you can see that there's 2 tabs there. You just press on the tab, and that'll allow the foot to insert onto the bar. And then I'll have that stop right up against the slide scale. Next, what we can do is insert the door frame bracket just by clicking it into place, and then pressing on the rubber bases just by pressing around the perimeter. And there you have the installation of the foot pack. You'll also notice there's an exposed slot. There's a rubber insert provided to cover that rubber slot to maintain your aerodynamics. And then we'll put the end cap back on into place. And then next step, you would use this included tool to tighten the fastener, which tightens the door frame bracket into the door frame. And as you do that, when you turn, this turn knob will click, indicating it's been fully tightened and it's safe and secure. Next, you have your cover that you can simply just engage and snap into place and give this plastic plug a quarter turn. Now, this plastic plug can be replaced with one of Thule's lock cylinders, and the lock cylinder takes the place of the plastic plug and gives you an effective keyed theft deterrent. Now, this is part of Thule's one key system, enabling you to key match not only all 4 of your feet, but also other accessories that you may have that are Thule one key system compatible. Okay, so those are all the basics of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2015 and beyond Volkswagen GTI four-door. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. If you'd like more information on this product and a link to quickly purchase this pre-configured, just see the link in our video description. Also, if you want a more in-depth installation instructions actually on a vehicle, we have that as well. So just look for that also in the video description. So that's all for this system. Thanks for watching.